Hey guys and girls, I'm back on the camper van on a really hideous midweek night in the Midlands. The last video, I was struggling a little bit. I've got rid of a lot of the rust. Obviously, that's revealed some holes and stuff like that. My outriggers need cutting off. So the thing I was really struggling with last time around was that I didn't have any drill bits to remove the spot welds that are on there for the outriggers to the flooring and the chassis rails, and also uh, all I've got really is I've got my main angle grinder. That's a quite a powerful thing, and I've got a little air grinder. Uh, and both of them, they don't really get into the corners that I need it to, so I haven't really got a power tool anyway. I've got hand tools, but they take forever, so I haven't got power tools that would be able to do that for me. So I've been away, I've gone to Lidl, and I have got myself this. So 3-in-1 cordless combi tool, 20 volts. Had to buy the battery and the charging unit for it. It's pretty cool. I mean, I've already got a drill anyway, so I don't really need that element of it, but the batteries are a bit shot in my drill. So if it's a good drill, then yeah, this might well replace my actual drill. But the things it has got, it's got a reciprocating saw attachment, which will be really cool, with a metal blade for cutting metal. And it's also got a multi-tool attachment, so if I want to get any of the paint, the under seal or anything like that from under there, then that's going to be great. So I am going to be using this today. Open it up for you guys and we'll have a look inside quickly. So here we go. So it's got the drill element to it. That's the battery that I had to buy that came with it, so I've gone for the more powerful battery, for something milliamp hours or something like that, or amp hours, 4 amp hours. And you can use this here to remove this front end, and then you can put different front ends on. So this is the reciprocating saw, and then you've got the the multi-tool, which can also attach a detail sander, which is cool because I've got a really ancient detail sander up there, which, if this is good, I could probably get rid of a lot of stuff. I could probably get rid of my old drill, which the batteries are shot on, and I could get rid of my old detail sander if that one works. This new one works well. But yeah, I'll be testing that out on these bits of chassis. So I need to cut this jacking point off, I need to cut the rest of the outrigger off. Oh, I bought some drill bits as well for, I think we looked last time. Yeah, you can see the spot welds there. I've done a bit of research into the parts I need to buy as well. So here it is with the saw attachment. Looks a bit weird. I don't know. So it's pretty powerful though. Yeah, so there we go. Okay, I think I was probably already through. Okay, I'm going to get the multi-tool element of this saw and just see if I can take off some of this surface here, just so I can see a bit better what I'm dealing with. Okay, here it is with the multi-tool attachment. The vibrations are that strong, they knocked off my light. bad, is it? It's looking alright. Quite pleased on the whole. Okay, that's good. Annoyingly, there's decent access here, so I don't mind working here, but I'm going to have to get underneath now to get better access to try and reveal the spot welds for the jacking point, which I'm not really looking forward to, so you know what, I guess we need to get on with that. That tool's amazing though. Look, I love the fact that like, this stuff comes off in clumps rather than massive dust clouds like I was getting with the wire wheel. Loads better. I wonder how quickly I'm going to get through those tool heads though. Brace yourself. I've got to put my mask on, which I also hate doing because it steams up my glasses. So this is underneath where the loading doors come in, I guess. That, you can see right through to the floor there. That's the underlay underneath my laminate inside. Annoying. Looks like I've got similar on the other side here, but this one seems more solid. Okay guys, so situation is I can't really see very well in there, and you guys are really in the way, so I am going to get my little Dremel out and see if I can just clean up some of the edges of these welds so I can see what actually needs removing. I mean, it might be the case I need to remove this sill anyway. Oh god, it never ends. Yeah, so I'm going to do a bit of work and then I'll bring you back once it's done. Okay, so I'm about to finish up for the night. I have had it. So, I think what we can see now is we have got 3 welds there to the, this is the cargo floor area, and then another one there, and looks like another one in the corner, and then a whole big hunk of welding around here. Looks like my inner sill has been partially replaced at some point in the past, so it remains to be seen whether that was a good job. The fact that you can see that weld there probably tells you it wasn't a very good job, but still, we'll see. It's held for God knows how long, so it's a better job than I've ever managed to do in my life. So, catch you on the next one, guys. Hi guys and girls, just a quick update. I've bought some metal work for the van. Don't know if you call them panels, more chassis stuff. Off a guy off Facebook, Split Screen Van Club member. So yeah, lots of good stuff here. I'll be honest, the majority of the stuff I don't need, and it all has a bit of surface rust on it. But hey, we can treat them when they're usable. So a quick look. I'm hoping it's all still in here because the package was not was not pretty well sealed by the time I got it. But never mind. Hey, so yeah, we've got lots of sill stuff and top hat sections, but the main things I'm interested in at the moment are outriggers. Got a couple of outriggers there. Should be some jacking points in there as well, so I'm gonna take these into the garage and see if the whole package made it. Okay guys, we've finished unboxing all of the panels. This is Otto. Otto doesn't want to say hello. Okay, so like I said, I got these off Facebook via a member of the Split Screen Van Club, thanks to Matt. He drove a hard bargain. But like I said in the previous update, I don't need the vast majority of this stuff. The main things that I need these 4 jacking points down here, and my outriggers there. Undoubtedly I'm going to need some of the sill sections and some of the top hat stuff, but as far as I know I don't need any of these bits on the right hand side, and I'll probably only need short sections of any sill stuff, hopefully. I don't know, we'll figure out when we get there. Most things are a little bit rusty. I've done a little bit of electrolysis, is that what it's called in the past? To remove some rust, so I might try that on these. These ones that have got a black coating on seem okay, to be honest. It's just the bare metal ones that are a bit rusty. It's only surface rust though, so that should be fine. So cool, I'll get these out to the garage and then